Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Yes, today we are going to see Mamidikaya Pulihora. Do you know what it means? Yeah, you are right. It's called raw mango rice. Okay, mango rice antamu. So this is a South Indian rice, very famous and which is made out of mangoes. Yeah, so raw mangoes which provides refreshing blended and spices like green chilies, curry leaves, groundnuts, that is called chunky peanuts kada, and if you want you can add cashews also. Okay, so it's a very very bright and tangy comforting dish with nutty savory sour to taste, and I really love this mango pulihara. So it will be light yellowish in color. So using cooked rice, you can use the raw rice, normal raw rice. Today I'm using biryani rice, so which is already cooked. And then how to go with this procedure: grate the mango. Okay, you can grate it, or else what I did is easy way. There was no time, so I did in a hurry. So I put big chunks of mangoes into the mixer. Along with that, I have used green chilies, curry leaves. These three ingredients I have done a coarse grind. After that, I kept it ready. Chop the onions, curry leaves, and in oil put the mustard seeds, chana dal. After that, I have added LG little bit, and then add onions and fry it till it becomes a glazy texture. Okay, after that, the grinded mangoes with green chilies are there, na? You can add according to your taste the green chilies, because mango rice will be, it's very tangy to taste, and how much ever green chilies, 2 extra also if you add, that won't be spicy at all. So I have added 7 to 8 green chilies in the mixer and grinded it, coarse grind. Now I am adding that, grinded raw mango into the oil. So fry it well, add salt to taste and turmeric powder also. After 1 to 2 minutes of stirring these mangoes, you can off the gas. After that, if you keep the biryani rice ready, which is already cooked, that you have to add it and add some salt according to your taste. The rice will be ready, mango rice will be ready. It's so yummy, instant. Within 10 minutes we can prepare this rice. Yeah, I would like to suggest you also to try this and put it in the comment section how it has come out for you. Yummy mango rice. Okay, so bye bye guys, see you in another video with another content. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it and give a like. Thank you, bye bye.